In primetime news this evening, what's causing the delay? Health Minister addresses concerns about COVID vaccine program. And national embarrassment. Opposition slams government over uncertainties relating to COVID vaccine rollout. And migration of nurses hurting the health sector. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and also on the internet on our One Spot media platform. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. We're asking, have you had a relative or friend who has had to be hospitalized due to COVID-19? What was the experience like? Please share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica or tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.